Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. It's Ishal Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Let's start with the reading. Hopefully that you all are doing well and the message is quite interesting, okay? Look, I have this particular thing which is written as Lucky Bear and I showed it in one of my readings prior as well. You can clip it also. But I just got this from one of my bags, so I kept it. Something is, they're saying something, but I'm going to give this message later on in another reading, but it is Lucky Bear. I feel like someone is going to be out and about to hug you, and something won't be ordinary, like it's going to be very special, possible special meeting or something like that, because I'm hearing the message, let's start. Let's, L-E-T-S, start, S-T-A-R-T. Something is going to start in your life. Own self, as an individual, yes, positive. Let's start is also certain kind of possible patch up is happening. You're about to talk with someone. Let's start, maybe you're about to date someone. You are already knowing someone and now that's going to take further, like ascension, okay? Good. Something is going to begin here. Something that is going to be very, very beautiful for you and for this person and the storyline of your life. You also have the bottom energy, Judgment. Something will be divided. Now division means there's no judgment, okay? And both of you are going to judge this situation basically, okay? So that's what I'm hearing. Judgment is also my callback. So you are going to start something with someone. Second last card is Strength here. So may represent Leo. For some cases, maybe Leo is in your chart somewhere. If you want to check it by natal chart. Or this may fall, or the one who is the one, maybe Leo specific, or in their chart it is falling, okay? Maybe Sagittarius. But Judgment is going to be important for you. This is the time kind of energy. Let's start. Simple messages, let's start. So maybe someone may end up messaging you, they might be thinking about it, or you. Now both of you will proceed on this action. But with Judgment, there's going to be something that's going to happen in this time frame, though it is major, so a little bit have patience and take time. There's going to be someone who will feel like I'm a lucky bear. Like hibernation is over, and the one who is about to express going to be this. Thank you for beautiful comments, sweet gestures, donations. Thank you so much. It's the biggest support. Keep doing it, guys. Keep supporting in one or the other way, okay? No pressure. Everything is precious here. You people are coming. Follow on Instagram, if I never spoke that, SHELLS. So there's going to be something like it is going to be sudden announcement, sudden awakening, kind of. When awakening is, I'm talking about suddenly someone is thinking, oh my god, I have to do this. Now maybe they have this push and pull between their mind and heart kind of situation, but this is what I see. I feel like I should take this Judgment card out, because Judgment is going to be let's start. Judgment is going to be let's begin. Judgment is going to be let's chat, let's talk, okay? Opportunity will be presented to you. Yes, and this message is that we all are being presented with opportunities, okay? I'm going to show that, okay? But drawing this angel card suggests that something is now being made available to you. Whatever it is, work related, love related. And it is up to you to use it to your greatest advantage. Life is giving you chance, opportunity. Let's just say not chance. I feel like opportunity is better, and with all love and honor. I see like they want to say something to you, whoever this is. Archangel Shamiel, if I'm not pronouncing it right, no offense guys, okay, but I'm trying. Archangel Shamiel works on the pink ray of love, and being blessed with this Archangel card indicates that you are ready to open your heart to unconditional love. Love has no restrictions and accepts all people as they are, nor does it judge. Whoa, I talked about judge. No one is judging one another because both of you are going to judge. Means when no one judges, means they are acknowledging, means they are comprehending each other. True love is so powerful that it dissolves hurt, anger, and separation. This card is having so many messages for you. Like, even if I don't read it beyond, this is it. Judgment is the chance, opportunity, bringing something that was dead or rest in peace to life, which is about emotions. And this is about, it's going to, this love, a true love situation that's going to happen in your life, or is happening in your life. It's going to actually dissolve anything that was hurting you, anger, agitation, irritation, because after separation and separation. So separation might be happening between you both, and because of that, it created that anger and hurt and whatever. Let love flow from your heart and touch your loved ones, those who dislike, and strangers. This creates a bridge of light which the angels can move along to bring hope and peace. In return, your life will be blessed and filled with love. Some of you might be working in that. People give love, so much of love. And you know, with this true love, they've written like true love is so powerful, and you have the bottom energy as power. So this is going to be beautiful for you in Judgment. Let's see. You are about to start something. You are starting something with someone. You are starting something with someone. Page of Cups. Emotions will be exchanged. Love messages en route. Affectionate messages en route. May not be exactly je t'aime, I love you, amore, but it's going to be, look, I think of you. Let's start. Let's start dating. Let's start again. Let's start from scratch. Let's start our friendship again. Let's bloom together kind of energy. Though it just can be proposal coming as well. You may never know, and it's going to be called back. Someone's gonna ask you something. This may be something happening for the real for the second or third time. For the real. And it's going to happen. Will be offered to you. Now this is King of Swords, Gemini, Libra. Aquarius energy maybe, but for you, this is someone who is going to give you this, provide you this. You're about to hear from either Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or someone is about to say that I can hold it in, like, I feel for you. Let's start. This may be particular Piscean as well. This is also love offer. This is also money offer. Money is also coming your way. I may not tell you like millions are coming, but this is about amount is coming towards you. This may be online sale, business, anything that you work. People are working online these days. Everyone is aware. So much of work is offline as well, but online as well. So whoever is listening to this, and if it pertains with you, there is going to be a Page of Cups. This is like happy news coming. Okay, happy love coming. I feel like it's like you are like, you're like observing everything and seeing, and here you go, you never know, they are coming from the back and saying like back in the way, unexpected. They may end up saying, look, I want to talk to you. Look, I feel like we should. I feel like we should have this second chance with one another. Now, what second chance is for you guys? That kind of energy is here. Interesting. Yes, of course. Look, something when is going to approach you, it's going to be like you're like got wounded, or you were hurt or disappointed. At least if you were disappointed by someone, then this is the phase where it's going to create that aura of like doubting. But then again, there is someone who is trying to approach you, or they would love to talk to you. This may be someone younger sign, or there is age difference. If that's not the case, it's totally fine. Okay, yet to explore. There may be Capricorn bouncing back. but it is also the devil, of course. Devil is a Capricorn. Now, with the devil, you might be feeling, will it be right for me to give chance? Because there is this attraction. And the attraction that person is having for you, you are having for the one, or pull, you both are going to judge one another in this time frame, because no one else can. And this situation possibly was disappointed, okay? Possible. Now, of course, you need to be responsible, but all I can see in the cards, because it's not out, all I see positive, all I see like what you're going to do about this situation, all I see, let's start. And that's what they gave me the message. I was like getting ready to come in front of camera, of course, and then I just took my ring and bangles from this place, like I usually do it. Like you can see so much of stuff, treasure, and I was wearing it, and they said, let's start. I said, oh, I'm not even settled and you're giving me the message. They said, listen to us, okay? So whatever the source is, whatever the medium is, okay, whatever the mystery is connected with this world, higher beings and all that, dimensions, they are guiding us. Most of the time, mostly like 99.9%, they are going to give you certain intuition, gut feeling, something is this. But we don't listen. At times we don't listen. But people who listen, they know what's about to happen. This is your card. 3 of Cups is going to happen for you. Friendship I see blooming. Happiness I see. I feel like even if you are not, I'm not saying that you're ignoring, I'm just saying that you're possible are not ready from inside. That's what your card is suggesting me. Like you might be like, now what will happen? Why it is coming? Why this person is telling me to start? So this is about reunion, unions, friendships, old pals coming together, people coming in contact again, kindred spirits, like you, like me. In your future, there's going to be 3 of Cups. There's going to be cheers, certain kind of celebration, get together maybe happening. You're about to start dating again. You're about to get interested again. Possible you were not. Possible now you're going to. You're also going to enjoy with people. There are 3 energies as well, like in 3 of Cups. So possible 3 pals coming together. Possible this is about you and someone you know. There may be younger energies. Possible you, maybe Gemini, Libra, Aquarius kind of, but this is for Aquarius. You may be Aquarian mother, if that is the case. You have children, but you're celebrating something. This is bonding. It's about sisterhood, it's about brotherhood, it's about sister brotherhood. This is about that kind of energy as well. Now look, there's also bottom energy again, the devil. Capricorn, some of you might be patching up, meeting, talking, 13-13 recording time. After the ending, beginning, because death is the beginning, ending is the beginning. When something ends, something begins, of course. So, with the devil, there may be something that is from the past you felt not right, or the situation was not right, something was unhealthy or disappointed, and you thought like it's over, may bounce back. May bounce back, but how you're going to react to it or deal with the situation. Now this may be happening with Queen of Cups. This is like confirmation here of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This person does have feelings for you. They may ask you to reignite something with you, start fresh something. Okay, that's what we did, like let's start. They're going to offer you something. Page of Swords, it's like even if you are taking like stand for yourself and you're not at the reciprocating end too much, still you're going to read that, still you're going to be like, you're going to be in control while replying. So if this starts, that's what at least the energy format is, they may end up saying something. This is about texts or something like that. This is also Gemini, Libra, but it's also Aquarius, of course. That's what I see. Stay in your power, okay? Let's keep it a little short, like it's all 15 minutes. Take care. I love you. See you soon.